Hello everyone, this is Robert Fulmer from Fulmer Photography, and today we are on a new model home tour out here in Cypress, Texas. This house is built by Highland Homes. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with a 2-car garage, just under 2,300 square feet, and the price tag is $448,000. Let's get this tour underway and check it out. Highland Homes being one of my favorite builds here. Love the front brick and the front stone. And here we are as we enter the home. We have the living room on the left side with a floor to ceiling fireplace. Nice windows up top. Comes with really nice plantation shutters. And as we walk around, we enter the kitchen here. Beautiful, beautiful granite countertops. I love the black and white look on these here. Got beautiful pendant chandeliers. Overall, just a gorgeous kitchen. It's got the glass display up top. Views right out the front door. Like I said, this is out here in Cypress, Texas. Neighborhood is Towne Lake. Here we've got the dining room or the breakfast. It's a nice black on white paint there for the windowsill. Now this home has 0 bedrooms down, but here we have the study. Really beautiful ceilings up top. As we come around, we've got the laundry room. And then just a really nice, beautiful half bath here. Really well appointed with the tile on the floor. Okay guys, let's make our way upstairs here. As we make our way upstairs, you can see a really nice looking wood on metal banister. It's got a really nice look to it. It's a really cool looking loft here. I'm loving the wood on the wall over there, with views overlooking the living and the entry. Chandelier. And then let's make our way to the bedrooms. First, we'll start all the way down here with the primary. Beautiful wood floors throughout. Coming on into the primary bath. Just once again, another gorgeous setup here with the tile. Big soaker tub. Glass shower. And the double sinks here. Let's take a look here into the closet. Pretty nice size walk-in closet here. And then off to the guest bedrooms. Okay, here is guest bedroom. We have got guest bath, double vanity, with the shower. And then off into the other bedroom here. Now these homes have the driveways in the back garages on the back side as well. So this is more of like a side yard, side patio, almost like a patio home kind of. So we're gonna have a smaller yard here. That's the gate out to the front. And then this is the rest of the backyard with the gate out to the back. And our views back into the house. All right, guys, and as mentioned earlier, these homes have the driveway in the back, so the front is kept nice and beautiful. This is the back alley where you would access the house, park the car, and eventually have access into the backyard from here. And this is what it looks like behind your house. And there is the back elevation. Guys, thank you for joining me today on our new model home tour out here in Cypress, Texas. Towne Lake is the neighborhood. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.